installed a few things since the last video. First being the HKS blow-off valves, second being JB4. And first thing, the HKS blow-off valves, they come with a pre-assembled version that are an extra 50 bucks. Do that, 100% worth it. It was the hardest part of any install that I've done, but other than that, the JB4 was very simple, easy to put together, easy to put on. And I'm really excited to get the car back on the dyno now that we have that done. See what our horsepower has gone to, and finally get a number on our torque. Last time we won a Sky Performance, they were having issues with the machine and they weren't able to give me torque. So that's the next thing that I want to do. But other than that, we're gonna get on and get a few shots inside here and some videos on how it sounds with the blow-off valves on. For today's video, I appreciate y'all checking in. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Yo te confié en ti, mis secretos, y yo viví por ti, sentí completo en el fin.